try and line it up now on the other side. How's that look to you?
Use your wing mirror instead. I think we've gone a little bit too far forwards. So if you're sat in your seat, using the tip of your wing mirror,
Yep.
because this is where I usually sit and nothing's changed for me. Usually that line is a bit further with this. So I'd say this line needs to go forwards just a smidge more.
Yeah. Yeah,
just a
I agree.
smidge.
Yeah.
So the line needs to go forwards, we need to go back just a little. So about, as we're rolling, about there. Lovely, it looks alright. You want to give that a go?
Yes.
Where is the line in relation to the tip of the wing mirror from where you're sat in the vehicle? From a nice natural driving position. Because ideally you don't want to be headbutting the examiner because you're struggling to see.